What's up, guys? We're back with another video. So we're back with another one. We are back. I finally posted another short. And yeah, so we are back with it. And also, if you guys see this video, and please go check out my new short. It's pretty funny. Sticker sprouts, nah. What should I do? So I finally unlocked the 25B zone. So I'm saving up for probably like, I don't know. But let me go to the 25B zone real quick. And I'm also gonna be saving up for Cobalt B and Crimson B. I'm gonna be saving up for these two. Because I have not bought any of the event bees. They're just sitting there unlocked. Okay, so we're up here. Let's explore right here. Six had it. And this coming up Tuesday, I promise I will be doing a video on Arabic. I might, after this, I might go to a different game. I might, after I get like a million honey. Turn off my honeysuckle. High altitude. I can finally finish this quest since I've gotten mountaintop. Give me a microconverter, yo! Hold on, wait, I'm gonna go kill King Beetle. After this, I'm gonna go kill King Beetle. Let's do some brown egg quests. I've talked about it right now. I gotta do 220. It's easy! I haven't been doing this guy's quest in a while. Okay, let's go. He's a macroing. Kill. Right now. I'm not going for Forsaken after this to play. Because last time I was trying to play Forsaken doing some lonely rounds. But my mom took the phone that I was using. Because I'm always posting videos on her phone. Because I don't have a phone. On my main account to the new account, or I'll just sign into my main account. I have killed him since I have his amulet. It just takes a while. For other people he doesn't, but for me he does. Because my bees aren't going to shoot. Thank you. He gave me 1,000,000 honey. What else did he give me? He gave me blue extract. That's nice. Holy crap, I have not used any trees. Vicious Bee. Vicious Bee hasn't had a chance to spawn yet. Vicious Bee can spawn every single night. Here. Is he at bamboo tree? There's jelly beans. Good, brown bear. Makes sense because I have I can summon a honey storm. Yay. I can finally summon a honey storm. That means I have more than... Okay, let's go look for Vicious though. So looking for Vicious. So he's not in Spider Field. Did he even spawn? He could. He's not in Strawberry Field. Okay. He's not in nor Pineapple Pine Field. Not these two fields. Let's go check them out. Man, bro, where are you? Okay, let's go. A sprout perfectly appeared where I was. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm trying to get like maybe my hive to level 6 hive maybe? No, I think 7 would be good. I'm gonna try and get it to a 6 and a 7. Go check up here. There's someone who is mid-game right now. Not even up here. I don't know where he's at. He's probably in a different place. But there is a new place I can get to. Is over here. If I jump down, I'll be able, since I have a glider, these tickets. And up here, there's something. Mask. It only opens then, of course. Well, I can get this now. It only opens at night, but there's something over there. It's the diamond mask. There's glitter over there. Oh, he's mackerel. I'm gonna go finish Black Bear's quest. I need to go to the clover field. Yeah, I'm getting close to getting the glider that I really want. If I just continue summoning honey storms, then I will be able to finish up the quest. So give me even more honey. Oh my god! Should I do Robo Bear's quest? I mean, not Robo Bear's quest. Should I do a Robo Bear's quest? I'm I'm gonna do a Robo Bear challenge. I'm gonna see if it's possible. I can make another. Holy crap. That's good. Yo, that's actually good. Like 50,000 more. Yo, I almost have 1,000,000. Almost have 1,000,000 capacity. Yeah, I almost have 1,000,000 normal capacity. And maybe if I go into a certain field, it'll give me 1,000,000. No. Sorry if I'm sniffling a lot. I want to do a Robo Bear challenge. Let's just do that. I haven't done a Robo Bear challenge, so. How do I do a Robo Bear challenge? What does he want me to do? How do I obtain 50 cogs? Okay. I want to do Robo Bear challenge. How do I do? I have a Robo Bear. How do I do Robo Bear challenge? How do I do it? How do I do it? How do I do Robo Bear challenge? Let me kill these scorpions real quick. Dun, 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 dun. Who's that? Someone has vicious beings here. Back. How many moon traps do I have? What 150? Holy crap! Nah, it won't get me up there. It's only if I use the yellow cannon, it'll get me up there. His porcelain backpack. End game. Early end game. Back to Honey Dipper if I want to. Collect 2 points from 49 surrounding patches. It's kind of good. Let's make more than this in a single scoop though. So how much? So in a single scoop, this one makes my stupid bees, get out of here. My bees are ruining this. I gotta get somewhere. Okay, this is perfect. Hold on, wait, this is perfect. Because then I can just stand there. Then they are distracted. They are distracted. About like 500 or so? Maybe even 600? And I'm gonna go see how much the other one makes, or if I just wasted my fruit dispenser. So, what about the honey? It does cost a little bit less. Let's go back over here. See how much this makes. I don't know, so. Stomp you. At the end of his quest line, he says that I have to collect 1 million pollen from the stomp field. That's like, although this collects a bigger radius, I think it collects less. It only collects 400, so that one's actually, the other ones that I have clipped is better. Although I would want to keep this one. I need to discover another type of gifted bee. So I'm gonna use a royal jelly on this one. He's not really doing much. Shocked me now. Not you, shocked bee. Especially not a gifted shocked bee. If I was a gifted shocked bee. So hard, bro! Dude! Oh yeah, I could get it to a level 7 hive. Let me try and do like a level 7 hive. I'm gonna try and do a level 7 hive. Okay, loves pineapple. Level 7. Let's use some treats. Oh my god, that's a huge dent. Let's use... Nope. This bad boy. I can get many more sunflower seeds. Okay. I'm trying to do it to at least a 6 or a 7 level hive. But, yeah, most of... Oh, wait. Hold on, wait. Wait. Let me do strawberries. No, he loves blueberries. Tackle-bee. Let's go! He probably loves blueberries. So that's a huge dent. Holy crap. Okay. It's okay. This is like such a waste. How much bitter berries? Okay, I guess so. I'll get more. And then the lion bee. He gave me a little bit more pineapples. Please, I want to be able to get a level 7 hive. Please. Let's try treats. Okay. It's good. More treats. Holy crap. I'll get more, but treats are actually easy to get. Holy crap. I'm wasting so much. How much neon berry? All 6. Hell no. Forever. Please. Damn, how fat are you, exhausted me? Damn, how fat are you? Or if I feed him all my treats. Almost done. Almost done leveling up all my damn. God damn, bro. This guy better love pineapples. Okay. He loves blueberries. Level 6 exhausted bee. Oh my god. He takes forever to level up. I almost have a level 7 hive. Yeah, I think it's just this last exhausted bee. And I'll have a level 7 hive. Come on, bro. Let me feed this guy. Okay, I almost have a level 7 hive. Dude, it's taking me forever. Okay. Okay, at least he loves pineapples. Treats. Finally! Go to my brother. God damn, that took me forever. Milan! Guess what I finally got? And look what I finally got. A level 7 hive. No. How the hell do you have a tiger? I finally got a full level. I have a full level 7 hive. Goodness, it took me forever. I wasted so many treats just doing that. I had 2,000 all the way. 364, bro. Yeah. Well, please, if you did like this video, please, bro. Please like and subscribe. It really helps me out a lot. So let's get back to finishing this damn quest. He macroing? Oh wait, this guy's macroing with like. He's a macroing with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 11 bees. Macroing with 11 bees. Holy crap, bro. There's no way. He's macroing with 11 bees, bro. Oh, wait. Because they're alive. So I could buy them. But I've dedicated myself to getting. That's basically just gonna be. I only have a level 7 hive on. I had a level 6, 5, and 7 hive. So it was not balanced. Grab that. 4 royal jellies. Plus haste plus. Holy crap, I'm zooming. I'm zooming like my life depends on it. Holy crap. Oh my god. Give me that. Oh wait, vicious P. Dude. You think Bolt can't catch up with me? Oh my god. Go too fast. I can't even see where I'm going. Spider. Birdie field. Oh, he just ran. Attack him. It's warming. Stingers. Stingers. And then like putting like me right next to it. That's what I want to do. And also for me doing a series on getting Milestone 4. I already have 1x, Jason, and Milestone for Noli, but he doesn't have his milestones yet. I hope in the October 30th he gets his milestones. Yes, I know when the update's coming out. It's October 31st / Halloween. It's been leaked. So when I finish this quest, I'm gonna migrate to what is it? Frick, I forgot the name. Forsaken, yeah, for the same. I'll empty out my pie if it gets. Vroom vroom. I'm in my mom's car. Vroom vroom. Alright. Ugh. Finish this damn quest. What are you gonna give me? Yay! Yeah. I have 19 royal jellies. That's good. I could use that for crafting, maybe. I filled out my hive finally. So, we already have that. 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 Give me something good. I'll take a rage bead. Take a rage bead. Rage beads are good. Bro, well, I know that mask costs 5, but I'm gonna migrate to Forsaken now. So let's go. No, that game. For the Forsaken. Right in another mess. So. It's a hacker. What the hell? You just went through that. Better. Who is he? That is this guy. I'm gonna report him. Taunting. He's speed hacking and taunting the killer. Taunting the killer. Different server because there's a hacker. So. Alright, different server. It just started, bro! I'd have to wait 3 grueling or like 4 grueling minutes just to play. No, I do not want to wait that. I'd much rather wait. Yeah, 2 minutes. Okay. Yeah, I have Noli equipped with a guy skin, or you are an idiot. It's so slow. He probably sneezes. Okay. You just stood there. What are you doing? Oh, he got caught on the wall. This is possible. Deal. Gosh, I love that. I just heard like the Among Us killer sound. Shut your bit ass up, bro. Cookie, move out the way. Why were you harassing this random woman? He's already gambling, bro. Yes. And I have been playing this guy a little bit longer. So I finally have his milestone 1. Because I don't really use supports other than Elliot. Also, all my skins are just pumpkins. All my skins are like pumpkin related, like pumpkin. This kind of pumpkin, not the pumpkin y'all used to knowing. Already? Shoot that man. Perfect. Yo, what you got to be? Probably cool. Yeah, playtime is don't run over here. What are you doing? Pick that up. Oh my god, our team is selling. I swear, bro, our team is selling. Everyone's just dying last second. Stop. I'm actually trying to protect these fools. These fools, but they keep dying. Holy bro, how long did that take? Took us four minutes exactly just to finish that one round, bro. Holy. I'm next. Yay! I haven't used Molly in a while, but I still know how to use him. He's pretty easy. Although he is a 5-star ranking, I've mastered him pretty good. Knock off Ghostface, bro. Bro, what is that? It needs to be catch them off guard. Hey! What the hell? Oh, I actually didn't notice. It's kind of laggy. That was laggy for video. Come here. Alright. I don't know what. Or not. Tried running to tried running to his thing, but his trap, but I stopped him instantly. We're gonna play one more round of Noli, so I'll just cut everything out. So see you guys in it. Bye bye.